Christie's auction for digital artist Beeple, whose real name is Mike Winkelmann.
Skyrocketing prices for digital art sold as NFTs.
The company is entering the NFT and cryptocurrency market as part of its turnaround.
This year, non-fungible tokens appear to have exploded even further after a crazy 2021. These digital assets are selling like hotcakes, with some fetching millions of dollars. They range from art and music to tacos and toilet paper. But are NFTs really worth the money and the hype? Some experts feel they are a bubble about to burst, while others believe they are here to stay and will forever revolutionize investment. Welcome to Flores Online. Today we are going to be explaining to you what NFTs are. We are also going to differentiate between NFTs and normal tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the latest NFT and crypto news. For those who press the subscribe button, and for those who like or comment on my video, thank you for that. Let's get into it. What is an NFT? NFT is an acronym for non-fungible token, a digital asset that represents real-world elements like art, music, in-game items, and videos is known as an NFT. They're bought and traded online, often using cryptocurrency, and they're usually encoded with the same software as many other cryptos. Non-fungible basically means that this is a one-of-a-kind that cannot be substituted with anything else. NFTs are also always in limited supply. This is in sharp contrast to the large majority of digital products, which are almost always available in infinite quantities. If a certain asset is in demand, cutting down the supply should theoretically increase its value. And this is why NFTs have become so expensive in such a short period of time. Nevertheless, many NFTs have been digital works that already exist in some form elsewhere, such as legendary video clips from NBA games or securitized versions of digital art that are already floating around on Instagram, at least in these early days. For example, acclaimed digital artist Mike Winkelmann, better known as Beeple, created Everydays, which was a collection of 5,000 daily drawings. These are possibly the most popular NFTs ever. The first 5,000 days sold at Christie's for a record-breaking $69.3 million. Individual items, or perhaps the full collage of images, can be viewed for free on the internet. So why are people prepared to spend millions of dollars on something that might be easily screenshotted or downloaded? The answer is simple: because an NFT permits the buyer to keep the original item. It also comes with built-in authentication, which acts as proof of ownership. The digital bragging rights are almost as valuable as the item itself to collectors. How do NFTs work? Most NFTs are at a high level part of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum, like Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is a cryptocurrency, but its blockchain also supports these NFTs, which store additional information that allows them to function differently from, say, an Ethereum coin. It's worth mentioning that some other blockchains like Solana and Avalanche can implement their own versions of NFTs. An NFT is created or minted from digital objects that represent both tangible and intangible items. It includes art, GIFs, videos, sports highlights, collectibles, virtual avatars, video game skins, designer sneakers, and music. Even tweets can be sold as an NFT. Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey sold his first ever tweet as an NFT for more than $2.9 million. Essentially, NFTs are like physical collector's items, but digital. So instead of getting an actual oil painting to hang on the wall, you just get a digital file instead. How is a non-fungible token created? Minting is the process through which an artist, creator, or license holder creates a non-fungible token. It's the process of creating a token and assigning it to its owner by signing a blockchain transaction that defines the fundamental token features. This transaction is then broadcasted to the blockchain, triggering a smart contract function that produces the token and assigns it to its owner. How is an NFT different from cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies and physical money are both fungible, meaning they may be traded or exchanged for one another. They're also worth the same amount of money. $1 is always worth another dollar, and one Bitcoin is always worth another Bitcoin. The fungibility of cryptocurrency makes it a secure way to execute blockchain transactions. NFTs, on the other hand, aren't like that. Each contains a digital signature that prevents NFTs from being substituted for or compared to one another, hence non-fungible. For example, one NBA Top Shot clip isn't the same as Everyday simply because they're both NFTs, just like CryptoPunk number 5822 at 23.7 million is not equal to CryptoPunk3100 at 7.58 million. What are NFTs used for? Artists and content creators have a one-of-a-kind opportunity to monetize their work thanks to blockchain technology and NFTs. Artists, for example, no longer have to sell their work through galleries or auction houses. Instead, the artist can sell it as an NFT straight to the consumer, allowing them to keep a larger portion of the profit. Additionally, artists can integrate royalties into their software, so that they receive a share of the sales when their work is sold to a new owner. This is a desirable feature because most artists do not receive further earnings after their first sale. Making money using NFTs isn't limited to art. Companies like Charmin and Taco Bell have auctioned off themed NFT art. Taco Bell's NFT art sold out in minutes, with the highest bid coming in at 1.5 wrapped Ethereum, equal to $3,723.83 at the time. Charmin's offering was dubbed NFTP, Non-Fungible Toilet Paper. In February, Nyan Cat, a 2011 GIF depicting a cat with a Pop-Tart body, sold for nearly $600,000. As of late March 2021, NBA Top Shot had grossed more than $500 million in sales. NFTs sold for more than $200,000 for a single LeBron James highlight. Snoop Dogg and Lindsay Lohan are among the celebrities who have jumped on the NFT bandwagon, sharing unique memories, artwork, and moments as securitized NFTs. And recent news suggests that Snoop wants to take his record label into the metaverse. Where can you buy NFTs? If you're interested in purchasing NFTs, you can do it on a variety of platforms, depending on what you're looking for. If you want to buy a baseball card, for example, you should go to a site like Digital Trading Cards. But other marketplaces sell more general items. OpenSea, Rarible, Axie Marketplace, Super Rare, Foundation, and others are some of the most popular NFT marketplaces. You'll need a digital wallet that can hold both NFTs and Bitcoins. Depending on what currencies your NFT provider takes, you'll probably need to buy some cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum. Coinbase, Kraken, eToro, and even PayPal and Robinhood now allow you to buy cryptocurrency with a credit card. After that, you'll be able to transfer it from the exchange to your preferred wallet. When researching alternatives, keep fees in mind. When you acquire crypto, most exchanges charge at least a portion of your transactions. What to do before buying an NFT? Don't just jump into buying NFTs. Before you purchase an NFT, you must first do a lot of research, and you can do that by checking the website of the NFT. You should also follow their Twitter page and join their Discord community. When you do that, you'll be able to find significant information on the project, such as a roadmap and their team. When you have gathered enough information to prove that the project has a good prospect, you can then proceed to invest in it. And that's it for today. If you want to be kept up to date on various NFT news and analysis, then click on the notification bell to be alerted when I release my next video. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and see you in the next video.